Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how to DM someone on your Twitter. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to DM, just simply open your app application, which is formerly known as Twitter. And after going into the app, just simply select any of the profiles that you want to message. After going into the profile of the person, you can see this message icon just beside the notification icon. In order to message, just simply click into that message icon. Then, you can send DMs from here. But you can only message someone who follows you. In order to message someone who doesn't follow you, you have to take the premium of Twitter. Otherwise, you cannot message the people who don't follow you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.